girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Hey, told me about all your insecurities. What dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around the same experience, love. And like guns with the aching, you're getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga confidence, got me too excited. Yeah, you played me, low down, dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a living, but it's way less wavy. How you managing to keep straight faces and all the pictures that I've seen lately. Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated. I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved in, we could've waited. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. You're old enough, but you're still a baby. You shared stories when you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be patient. That was before me, I must have changed it. Shifted your focus, let's look and jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around when you chase it. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you
Tell me if you still love it. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this moment. Then again, I can be drunk. Baby, I don't wanna sound righteous. I got 20 bitches sucking like license. I just any money roll a dice since I picked. She ain't even really my type, and out here she been losing herself to the night shift. She been losing herself, and I get it. Okay, yeah, I get it. Yeah, and you've been fighting for your shot, and you've been searching for your spot. Girl, I feel it. Yeah, girl, I feel it. Yeah. Oh, you think you got your groove, but you want someone like you. Tell me if you still love. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before. I had you right in some. And again, I can be drunk.
Yeah, I know, mommy, I know. It's 2 a.m., no stress. At 3, that bullshit kick in. At 30, you feel your best. I turn my whole spot to crucial. It's crucial the way I left. Upstairs, it's like a low. I know it just be the best.
I'm looking at her and her started turning to you. Now you starting to fuck up my mind. Is it you, is it her?
We probably trapped to the birds. At 29 is my address in case you ain't heard. It's flooding upstairs, it's elite. I don't make it squeak, make it squeak. I make this shit beat. Won't have a teeth when I feast.
Sleeping this slide through the streets. It takes a finesse, especially this cabaret cheap. Engine make it out the creek. Just leave the gate open. Notice I do, I'm a creep. Are you about it to rail? And now that gets down to the sleep. And are you obsessed by yourself? A minute from there, is this a room for me? Baby, do tell. Tell me that you still love. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Nadula hair, and today I'm reviewing one of my favorite type of units. It is a glueless unit, and not only that, it's a middle part curly unit. You guys know how much I love my curly units, but specifically like the deep wave water wave is definitely more my lane, and this is definitely something I've done for you guys a billion times, but I have another good one for you guys here. This is just the perfect unit, you guys. I love how quick and easy it was. I love how quick and easy I was able to install this unit. Not only that, I didn't have to use anything. Like, this is literally one of those glueless units that's a true glueless unit. It has a lot of parting space on it, which I love because this is a 7 by 5 inch closure unit, okay? So you definitely get a lot of space on here, and you guys see how beautiful this unit is pre-plucked. Like, absolutely gorgeous. And I did show you guys a moment ago how to like put it in like a flip over, but like look how amazingly good this unit is like pre-plucked. It's so good, and you get so much space. So the tracks start like way down here. Yeah, you pretty much get like the entire front part of the unit, so it gives more of a frontal vibe than it does like a closure, you know what I'm saying? And you can definitely do a lot more with it than just leave it in a middle part. You can like flip it over like this, like I did a second ago, where like that you can do an actual side part instead of having it flipped over, but I don't want to do that because I like my middle part that I have going on here. You can wear it half up, half down, because you can put so much of this front half like up, you know what I'm saying, and have like a cool little half up, half down moment. It's definitely versatile, and I like the actual texture of it. It's so pretty, and it's more lightweight. It's not something that's going to be like on the higher maintenance side. Let me just fix my hair a little bit. I just feel like it's a little poofy for me doing that. Fix it. But as you guys saw, like when I first put the unit on, like straight out of the box, it was ready to wear. Like literally you just put like maybe a little bit of water on it. You didn't even need to wet like the whole thing, because it looks so pretty like how it already was. Like, I was really impressed with that. I love something that's just quick and easy to put on like that. It's perfect for anybody who doesn't know how to do your own hair. If you don't want to keep paying a stylist like hundreds of dollars a month to get your hair done, I think this is a great option for you. You don't need to know how to do hair whatsoever, because you don't have to cut the lace, you don't have to bleach the knots, because the knots are already bleached for you. Okay, and it's like super tiny. Yeah, the knots in this unit are so small. Absolutely love that about it, and it just looks so natural. Like, it's just bleached perfectly, plucked for you already, styled for you already, and you can adjust it to your own head size, because not only does it have the adjustable elastic band, it also has the straps in the very back, and it has a really long comb. Like, the comb is legit like this long, so you can like hook it underneath your braids in the back, and you get just like that double security with both of the straps, because that's what genuinely makes it a glueless unit. You can't really like have a glueless unit when you only have like that adjustable strap that's at the very top, because a lot of companies, they do that, and then the back of your unit is like all loose and it's not like sitting properly. So love the construction of this one, and it's just so pretty. Like, are you kidding me? Like, look at the hair itself. It's just really pretty, very effortless, very low maintenance. So you don't have to worry about, you know, your hair getting all matted up on you. You still need to make sure that you're on top of the maintenance, making sure that you are, you know, washing your unit, doing co-washes with cold water only, and then also just making sure anytime you do detangle your hair that you always start from the ends and then work your way up to the roots, preferably when it is completely wet. You don't want to brush your hair when it's dry, because it'll cause like shedding, breakage, damage to your hair altogether. So just make sure you don't like brush your hair when it's dry. But I absolutely love this unit, you guys. It is so pretty. It was so easy to put on, like I said, and I feel like it's a no-brainer. This is an HG lace unit. That's why the lace looks so good, you guys. And this is a 24 inch. You guys want to know exactly how long the unit is. I really do like this unit, and I like the fact that it's full, but it's lightweight. It's not like overwhelming, because sometimes I have like really like long hair like this, or like curly hair, and it just feels like too much. So I like the fact that this one is just not doing too much. It's just like the perfect density, and it's just so beautiful. Like I cannot wait to like wear this. This might be like my new everyday unit because I love a unit like this, and I like the fact that it's so bomb. It doesn't require any baby hair. So if you're somebody who doesn't really like the whole baby hair kind of vibe, you're really gonna like this, because like, girl, why do you need baby hair when your hairline looks like this? It's just so bomb. You can literally take a comb and go like straight under your wig. And that's how you know this is a true glueless unit, and it looks so good. And I love it because I have a smaller head, so a lot of times when companies like send me like a glueless unit, I'm not always able to wear them as a completely glueless unit. I usually always have to use like Got2b gel. I have to use like hairspray or something to adhere my unit, but I never am able to just like put my unit on just like this, so quick and easy like everybody else, and just, you know, be good and ready to go. It's perfect for anybody who has like a fast-paced lifestyle, or if you have like kids or something like that, you don't have time to do your hair, girl, because you gotta take care of them kids, or you need to run errands real quick, you don't feel like, you know, doing your hair, whatever the case may be, this is going to be the perfect unit for you, because it's a quick put it on and go type of unit, and it looks really good too. It doesn't look like all messed up. Like, you'll look put together, and it looks very natural, you know. It's just like a really cute. It's definitely my kind of vibe. So if you guys are interested in checking this unit out for yourself and you want to pick it up, definitely check out the description box down below for a direct link along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you as soon as I can. Shout out to Nadula for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to all of you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, by the way. Like the video, okay? I really need y'all to like the video if you really like the unit, if you like the hair, if you like the overall, you know what I'm saying? Definitely like the video, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one.